This bird is just looking at me and just trying to bite me. Now I know you've had many animals freak out around the world, but this is just getting kind of strange. Look at this. Look at this. Just has no fear. Look at that. Has no fear. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's almost scary. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is really nutty behavior. There he goes. There you go, Mr. MBB333. Just another one. This is Catalina Island, 26 miles off the coast of California. I personally believe it's the lithium in the spray that they're doing, the chemtrails. We know that there's lithium, and that's the problem, folks. Good day. Bye.